Look how strong you are, lifting your head up and everything. Wow, you're a very strong boy. Hi. Well, hi there. You just weren't ready to get going, aren't ya? These interesting toys? What are those? You see them over here now? Oh, you see the camera now too, don't you? Hi. You're so strong. Wow, look at you go. Oh, so strong. Good job. Yeah. Good job, son. 9 weeks old. You had shots yesterday. You're so brave. Yeah, so brave. Yeah, wow, so strong. Good job, son.